Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Hey, what's going on with it, Tube gang, man? What's happening? Y'all see what y'all boy got going, man? Over here at the gas station. Shell to be exact. Y'all see I got Red Mac with me. Yes, sir. But anyway, what's up with the Tube gang? Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. Oh! It's that boy KT, man. Y'all back on that channel, man. You know what I'm talking about? If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, hit that post notification bell. You know what I'm saying? That way you can keep up with all the dope videos like the one you're seeing right now, huh? But yep, I know y'all see the thumbnail, and yes, I know what I'm doing is probably actually adding weight to the car, but hey, I need to fill up anyway. You know what I'm saying? That way I can go run my errands, you know, do what I need to do. So I'm not gonna really worry about the weight of the gas in the car, because 9 times out of 10, you know, when you're racing, especially if you're racing on the highway, on the dig, somebody pulls up on you at the light, you know what I'm saying? These conditions, you know what I'm saying, aren't controlled. You know what I mean? You know, whatever you have on you, you got on you. So, you know, I'm not gonna try to get it to the optimum level of trying to run, you know. I'm gonna do this on a full tank, you know, just like if I was just regular driving, you pulled up on me, I'm about to do the same thing. I don't need no receipt. But check the whip out. Y'all see I got the y'all see got the more drag radios on the back. Got them Hurst things on there. Looking good. 17 inch. These 275, 45, 17s. Y'all see I still got the originals on the front. Looking good. Let's get up in this car for the one time. Yes. So like I say, anyway, yes, I'm about to attempt to see if doing this 0 to 60 with the smaller rim conversion, as well as with the these are Toyo tires. Not sure what model number, but they are Toyo tires. I'm about to see if I can do better on my 0 to 60 time. When I did the video at first, of course I had the stock tires on. I did it on the street, and I want to say I did like a 4.9 like 3 to 4 times in a row. So you know, that's good for what it was. 4.9 isn't the best, but for stock tires, you know what I'm saying, at least it's not a 5, you know what I mean? But anyway, like I said, what I'm about to do is I'm about to set my car up. Let's see, I'm gonna put it in sport mode, and then I do got my throttle control on. I'm gonna set my throttle controller to normal, because I know most of y'all don't have this, so I'm gonna put it on just normal, which is just stock. So pretty much I just have regular 93 on here. I don't have no E85 in here, no tune or nothing like that. It's just regular 93. So the car is just like factory. So pretty much when I did the last 0 to 60, it was factory, and I ran a 4.9. So I want to try to have the same type of variables. So like I said, I got the throttle control unit right here. It's on normal. Regular 93 tune. Or really not stock. Yeah, I returned it back to stock, so it's just regular 93 in the tank, but it's stock. There's no tune on the car whatsoever. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go line up on the street back here in Mexico. Go do a couple 0 to 60s and see what it do. Alright, you guys, cut this AC off. So we about to start the first little roll. I think I seen 4.6, let's be sure. So it was 4.6. So for the first one, it was 4.6. So coming from the stock tires to the Toyo tires with a 17-inch wheel conversion, we already dropped 0.3 of a second. So we ran a 4.6. So we're gonna try to do it again and see if we can beat that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save 4.6, save that, since that's our best time so far, and then come back around for the second run. All right, this is run number 2. I'm gonna start, push OK to begin. Again, 4.6 again. So back to back with 4.6s. So the first thing I am noticing is that the 4.6 is pretty consistent. I'm trying to raise my RPMs a little bit, but if you raise them too high, I want to say like 1500 RPMs or more, it's cutting the accelerator off as if you're breaching the timer. So it's cutting the acceleration off to the timer, so it'll cancel it out and won't let you actually do the 0 to 60. So I'm just gonna pretty much have to go from a dead stop. If I was on the track, it's okay, but since I'm here on the street, I think it just go from a dead stop. Alright, you guys, this is run number 3, and to show you what I'm talking about, like I'm pushing OK to begin. Now see, if you look at the RPMs, if I go too high, it cancels it out. See, it says text cancel, and I'm on the brake all the way, the car isn't even moving. Let's try it again. Press OK to begin. So about 1,000 is where I want to have it. If I go higher than that, it cancels it. So what I'm gonna do is come back and start it. We're gonna try to launch it at 1,000 just so I can have a little bit of acceleration. So press OK, so get us about 1,000, then we go. So we actually did a little bit worse on that one. That was a 4.8. Let me check to be sure. Yeah, so on the third run was a 4.8, so we lost by 0.2 of a second. But hey, we're still in the fours, which is a good thing. So now I'm about to get ready for race number 4. Alright, you guys, so this is run number 4, and pretty much, like I said, I got it on sport mode. I have my throttle controller off because I'm trying to compare pretty much the wheel conversion itself. I can turn this on and probably get a better time, but like I said, I'm trying to keep the variables the same. So when I had my stock car, when it was stock with the stock tires, I ran a 4.9. So with just me changing the tire, I want to give you guys the perception on what your car may do if you decide to go with a 17-inch wheel and tire. So that's the reason for me, you know, trying to keep everything similar. It's regular 93, there's no tune on the cars, it's stock, and that's pretty much it. So now I'm about to get ready for the 4th race. And what I'm gonna do is I want to actually try this. Well, no, I was gonna put it in track mode, but I'm keeping the sport mode since I'm on the street. There's no big deal to try to go to the track. Track is for the track, so that's okay. So I hope this will help somebody out if you try to do this. Come here, give us about 1,000. It's okay. So it counts for that because it's detecting the acceleration of me trying to like stage it. I got a car coming, so I'm just gonna do it from a dead stop. No big deal. 4.7. Well, that's pretty much gonna be the conclusion to this video, you guys. I did 4 runs for you guys. Pretty much, like I said, the car was in sport mode. Traction was halfway off. You know, since I do have drag radios, there was no reason for me to turn it all the way off, and or it wasn't no reason for me to have the traction all the way on, because the drag radios, if they're sticky enough and they're a decent tire, it should compensate for the missing traction. Because when you have your traction fully on, you're pulling timing from the car because it has to adjust to the climate of the road. So the tire's job is to stick to the road no matter what, and then the traction of the car is how you said. If it's fully off, the car should still catch and grip, and then by you having the traction off, the computer won't interrupt the poor timing from the vehicle, which will, you know what I'm saying, increase your 0 to 60 instead of decreasing it. So make sure if you're doing your 0 to 60, you cut your traction halfway off by just tapping the button. If you are in the Mustang, just tap it one time. Don't turn the advanced track all the way off, because you just want to mainly use that for the track, because the track is real sticky. You have the stickiness of the tire and the track, so it's best to cut the advanced track off, because you will have no traction, or you won't have no stability in the back at all if you turn the traction all the way off and you're on the street. So you definitely want to make a mistake and hit anything. So like I said, just turn it halfway off and let your tires compensate and stick to the road like they're supposed to, and then you'll be okay. So pretty much a 4.6 was our best time, which is an okay time. It's not the best time, but then too, I didn't air the tires down to like 11, 12, 13 psi. They're still on 30, because like I said, I'm trying to make the variable the same as if you were just randomly driving and somebody pulls up on you like, what's up? And yeah, I mean, a 4.6, man, like I said, it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? They're 275s. I'm eventually gonna go up to 305s, like 305 40 or 305 35 17. So I will eventually do that. But yeah, I mean, you know, I couldn't ask for a better result, man. I think that's decent, because it stuck around the 4.6, you know, pretty evenly. And so yeah, I mean, that just lets you know that the tire is a good tire, and it's going to keep you on common grounds when you're talking about racing. Then too, the street I was on as well might not have been the best conditioned street to even run on. You know, as far as I know, you know, hey, it could have been another street that could have knocked off another 1/10 or 2/10 of a second. So it just depends on the situation. But yeah, like I say, it's your boy Mr. MOB himself, man, the business YCN, man. You can never. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video 20 to 30 likes. You know what I'm saying? Because I know that y'all rock my content, because I do nothing but drop fire, dope content. You know what I'm saying? And this is on the side of more of the teaching and learning side of the books here. So I hope you guys take this method with a grain of salt, and hey, do what you gotta do to provide the best time possible for yourself. But hey, I enjoyed this video, man. I really did. You know, I was kind of curious myself what my car do with this tire in here. And like I said, 4.6 isn't bad, but it's not the worst either. You know. But hey, KoyotePack, y'all know how we do it. Oh, hey man, it's your boy signing out. Hey, what a day! It's every day, all day. Hey, it's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.